Hi Felters, and welcome to day 24, the penultimate day. And as I said, I did put a 25 in, so we're still going to have a chat tomorrow. Hopefully you're gradually assembling your wreath, putting it all together. We've got a few more things, well, one more thing just to add today, so it's an easy one, don't worry. So day 24, right. There's no point showing you the inside anymore. It's really empty. So day 24, let's open it up. And here we are. We have, this is going to be your ribbon, but the wool on the inside is a special wool made by me for you. It's my Christmas wool. So this is your ribbon that you are going to use to tie a bow at the top. Now, it's not massive. I fully appreciate it, but I don't know how big all your pieces are, and I don't know how much room you've got. If you want to use your own ribbon, I completely understand. But I liked this one and it went with the theme. So that's the one we're going to use to do a bow at the top. And then this wool here is a wool that I had made up by World of Wool, and they do special blends, and you tell them what colours you want in it and how many times you want them to mix it, like 1 mix, 2 mix, 3 mix. So the more you mix it, the more blended it is. And I think I had 3 mixes. But this is my very special Christmas wool blend for you to keep for your stash, because like I said, I didn't want you to be overwhelmed with things, but I wanted you to have something special that was made up. So this wool is unique to you guys and to myself. And I would love the thought of a nice Highland cow in those colours, or whatever you would like to do with it. You could do another fairy in it as well, and that would look really good on the Christmas tree. But yeah, that's just a little extra one to you. So I hope you like it. And guess what? We'll see you tomorrow for day 25 of your Woodland Advent Calendar, the last day. Have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.